Question 21. Solve for x. 8 raised to 5x minus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 4x. Okay, so looking at this, the first thing I would want to do is get the bases the same, but I have an 8 and a 3, and there's no way I can get the bases the same in this case. So what I need to do is I need to take the natural log to both sides of these. So natural log of 8 raised to 5x minus 3, and natural log of 3 raised to 4x. Now the reason that we do that is for this next step. These exponents are going to be thrown to the front, so that 5x minus 3 is now in front of the natural log of 8. And that 4x is now in front of the natural log of 3. So I'm going to distribute this natural log of 8 to both the 5x and to the 3. So we're going to have 5x natural log of 8 minus 3 natural log of 8 is equal to 4x natural log of 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to solve for x. And notice I have an x over here and an x here, so I'm going to go ahead and move over that 4x natural log of 3. So I'm going to have 5x natural log of 8 minus 4x natural log of 3. I'm going to go ahead and move over the 3 natural log of 8 to the other side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out an x. So I'm left with 5 natural log of 8 minus 4 natural log of 3 equal to 3 natural log of 8. I'm going to divide both sides by 5 natural log of 8 minus 4 natural log of 3. So x is equal to 3 natural log of 8 divided by 5 natural log of 8 minus 4 natural log of 3. Okay, and you could keep going. You could throw this 3 back over here and it become an exponent. So it could look like natural log of 8 raised to 3 divided by natural log of 8 raised to 5 minus natural log of 3 raised to 4. But I believe one of the choices is this right here. So you can stop right here, and that can be your final answer.